Hello guys, thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Chef Chantel. Today I will be making some jalapeno and queso rice. I have some smoked sausage that I cut up on an angle. Okay, correction, that was white cheddar queso. I am using a rice dinner side, so I added water and milk, just like the packaging instructions say. Stay tuned. So I went ahead and brought this to a boil first. Now let's add the rice. Stay tuned. Okay, cook time is just 10 minutes, so this is a very quick side dish that you can make for you or you and your family. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The recipe directions will be available in the description below. This looks so yummy. You know, I had to add my own flavor to it, so I added some extra jalapeno peppers to it because you know I like it spicy. Okay, you don't really have to add smoked sausage to this. That is just my preference. You can add chicken or shrimp. Dinner is served. Thank you for watching, and you all have a blessed day.